You are now going to be taking the second quarter science exam. Number 1. Instruments located around Earth record seismic wave activity during an earthquake. The epicenter of the earthquake and locations of 4 instrument stations around Earth are shown. Which stations will record fewer waves than the others? A. Stations 1 and 4. B. Stations 2 and 3. C. Stations 3 and 4. D. Stations 1 and 2. Number 2. Two of the following statements correctly explain why fewer waves were recorded at some of the stations. Number 1. Part of Earth's interior bent some of the waves. Number 2. Different materials in Earth reflect some of the waves. Number 3. Some of the waves are blocked by water on Earth's surface. Number 4. Weather events near the stations can prevent waves from being recorded. Choose the letter that identifies the statements that are correct. A. The first and third statement. B. The first and second statement. C. The second and third statement. D. The second and fourth statement. Number 3. What are the two sources of thermal energy in Earth's interior? A. Solar heating and gravity. B. Combustion and solar heating. C. Gravity and radioactive decay. D. Radioactive decay and combustion. Number 4. Use the graph to answer question 4. Which of the following locations is likely the depth at which the P wave moves from one layer to the next? A. 1,500 kilometers. B. 2,200 kilometers. C. 2,800 kilometers. Or D. 4,100 kilometers. Number 5. As magma rises from the mid-ocean ridge, it cools and solidifies. As this magma solidifies, some of the minerals align with Earth's magnetic field. Every few million years, Earth's magnetic field reverses. This interval is recorded in the magma that solidified after leaving the mid-ocean ridge. In the picture below, these magnetic reversals are indicated by light and dark bands. How can scientists tell when the reversals of the magnetic field occurred? A. By measuring the thickness of the different bands of the oceanic crust. B. By measuring the distance between the mid-ocean ridge and the ocean floor band. C. By measuring the amount of minerals that align to Earth's magnetic field in the different bands. D. By measuring the strength of Earth's magnetic field recorded in the solidified magma of the oceanic crust. Number 6. Use the picture below to answer question 6. Which processes likely occur at points A and B? A. Point A is erosion and point B is deposition. B. Point A is deposition and point B is erosion. C. Point A and B are both erosion. D. Point A and B are both deposition. Number 7. A scientist is using radiometric dating to determine the age of 3 rock samples. The ratios below represent the amount of parent isotopes in comparison with the amount of daughter isotopes. Which of the rock samples is the oldest? A. Rock A. B. Rock B. C. Rock C. Or D. The rocks are the same age. Number 8. Each of the objects below has a different amount remaining of the same radioactive material X. Which object is the oldest? A. Rock, 10% of the radioactive material remains. B. Wood, 33% of the radioactive material remains. C. Shell, 41% of the radioactive material remains. Or D. Fossilized bone, 52% of the radioactive material remains. Number 9. The thinnest section of Earth's crust is found beneath Earth's A. Oceans, B. Mountain regions, C. Desert regions, D. Coastal plains. Number 10. Scientists believe that forces in Earth's mantle move Earth's crustal plates. What do the arrows in the diagram Earth's cross-section represent? A. Ocean currents, B. Gravity, C. Convection currents, D. Wind patterns. Number 11. Which area of the diagram, coastal cross-section, shows the subduction zone? A1, B2, C3, D4. Number 12. This is a mid-Atlantic ridge cross-section. Which area is likely the oldest crust? A1, B2, C3, D4. Number 13. A paleontologist was studying the evidence of extinction of organisms in the fossil record. Data were collected at several work sites. The paleontologist developed the drawing below of 8 layers at one work site. Other data used included the graph below that shows changes in sea level from 490 million years ago to 60 million years ago. Asterisks on the graph indicate times of mass extinction of marine organisms. Based on the observations, the paleontologists concluded that the layers had been undisturbed by geologic activity. Which layer should have the oldest fossils? A. Layer 8, B. Layer 6, C. Layer 4, or D. Layer 2? Rock layers. The two figures below show rock layers that have been affected by Earth processes. The thin arrows on the block in Figure 1 show direction of movement. The thicker arrows on both Figures 1 and 2 show the direction of forces that acted on the original flat layers. Number 14. Which plate boundary feature is associated with the compressive forces shown in Figure 2? A. Continental Rift Valley, where one plate is splitting apart. B. Mid-ocean ridge, where two plates are moving away from each other. C. High folded mountains, where two plates are pushing toward each other. D. Strike slip faulting, where two plates are sliding sideways past each other. Number 15. Which process produced the pattern of layers shown in Figure 1? A. Folding, B. Faulting, C. Spreading, D. Weathering. Number 16. Cross-section of an area of Earth's crust. In which area of the diagram above is a geyser most likely to form? A. B. C. D. Number 17. The map shows the present-day locations of South America and Africa. Remains of Mesosaurus, an extinct freshwater reptile, have been found in similarly aged bedrock formed from lake sediments at location X and Y. Which statement represents the most logical conclusion to draw from this evidence? A. Mesosaurus migrated across the ocean from location X to location Y. B. Mesosaurus came into existence on several widely separated continents at different times. C. The continents of South America and Africa were joined together when Mesosaurus lived. D. The present climates of locations X and Y are similar.